Hello, and we are looking at the northern cardinal. And this particular one is a female. And one of the cool things about the northern cardinal is that only a few female North American songbirds actually sing. But the female northern cardinal does. And often while sitting on the nest, this may give the male information about when to bring food to the nest. A mated pair share songs and phrases, but the female may sing a longer and slightly more complex song than the male. Yeah, sounds familiar. Here's another interesting little fact that the northern cardinal is the state bird of 7 states: Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, North Carolina, Ohio, Virginia, and West Virginia. And the oldest recorded northern cardinal was a female, and it was 15 years, 9 months.